Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Vladka and today I will show you how to make rose petal powder and aloe vera face mask. We're going to use aloe vera gel, but you can use a fresh plant and squeeze the gel from it. Aloe vera has numerous benefits from treating hair, dark circles, acne-prone skin, burns, sunburns. They're rich in vitamin A, C, E, and 7 or 8 amino acids. Now, take a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. And then mix it with 1/2 tablespoon of rose petal powder. Stir it well. And then apply it on your face gently in a circular motion. Wash it after 15 minutes in the cold water. Use this face mask daily or twice a week for best results. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please like and share it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so, and see you in my next video. Bye!